Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Let's see if we can figure this one out. So we're told that we have a sample of gas in a cylinder and piston, and it's undergoing the change of state shown in the drawing. A. Assume first that the cylinder and piston are perfect thermal insulators. They don't allow heat to be transferred. Find the value of Q, W. What is Q? What is state change? And what about delta E? Okay, let's see what we figure out here. Q will be equal to 0. Our W will be positive. And our delta E will increase. And this is because this is a perfect insulator. He can't process. And this is compressing. So W is positive. And since W is positive, our delta E is positive. Okay, so there's my first part. That's A. For B, so this time we're going to have the cylinder and the piston are conductors. So we're going to have the sign of Q and the difference in the state of the system. And what do we say about the relative values of delta E? Okay, let's see if we can figure these out. So tired. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to pause this. Let's see if we can. Okay, so now we are asked what is the sign of Q for this one. And it says it's getting warmer. So Q will be negative, less than 0. Okay, there's that question. What's next? What is the sign of Q? Describe the difference in the state changes. What's it say? Describe the relative differences and the changes of state. Okay. So in the first one, in case one, where they're perfect insulators, it's a gas. In case two, it could be a liquid, maybe, probably not too likely, a solid. So it could be a liquid, could be a solid. And then about Q1 or E1, E for each case. My goodness. I'm exhausted all of a sudden. E1 was greater than 0. Okay, so that one will be positive. That one was easy. E2. Two. E2. Value Q1. I'm still thinking. Okay, let's see here. And then I'm going to, for my E2, I'm going to say that this will be less than the first scenario in which it was perfect.